everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Erikah. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, adventure and fashion. We're going to have so much fun in this channel. Today I want to show you how to make Katlesi za Nyama. In English we call them potato chops. Please don't forget to leave without clicking the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Also click the notification button so that you can get notified every time I post new videos. Let's go straight into the recipe. So guys, these are the ingredients lined up for our Katlesi za Nyama. We have coriander, we have 1 red onion, half kg of minced meat, 6 red tomatoes. These ones we are going to be blending them. Black pepper, salt, curry powder, paprika, half a kg of potatoes, and breadcrumbs. Two eggs. So guys, we want to start by cooking our minced meat, and as you can see, I've already pre-boiled the potatoes. They're already pre-boiled. I'm going to show you what I will do with them later. So with minced meat, we want to start by frying our onions. Put like a little oil, you fry your onions until they are golden brown, and as you're cooking, make sure you use medium heat. You don't want to rush your food. You want them to get all the flavors. You want your food to be tasty, and you don't want your food to taste like it's burnt, like there's a spice that is burnt. Also make sure your surface is very clean as you cook. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You adjust the heat as you proceed. Just gradually add your onions. It also depends on the quantity of your minced meat. Continue stirring so that the onions can evenly cook. Now that our onions are brown, evenly brown, we want to go in with our minced meat. want to mix and make sure that you just try to mash it so that you can have very, very fine minced meat. You don't want to have lumps. You want to have very, very fine minced meat. As it's cooking, we want to add some ginger plus garlic that I had mashed earlier. This is 3 cloves of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic and ginger. Natural spices are very, very good. They are harmless, they don't harm your kids. Adjust your heat when necessary. Continue stirring. So we want to go in with some salt. I'll put half a tablespoon of salt, and then I put half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and I want to put garam spice as well, and just a tiny bit of paprika. If you don't like too much spices, you can just do with onions, ginger and garlic. But if you want your minced meat to have that sweet taste, you can put all these other spices that I've put. Because sometimes when you cook meat, kuna ile harufu ya nyama, unasikia ukikula wasikia tu harufu ya nyama. Lakini ukiweka spices, hiyo harufu yapotea kabisa. So that's why I put all those spices. Continue stirring. You mix. Okay. Now let's cover it for it to simmer a little bit, and then we'll check on it later on. So our meat is ready. As you can see, it's looking very good, well brown, so tasty. I want to test and just confirm to you that it's ready. It's so good. So we put it aside, and then we go to the next step, mashing the potatoes. You use a potato masher to mash the potatoes. If you don't have, you can use a fork, or you can use a wooden spoon to mash. So you take one lemon, you squeeze the juice. And then you want to put the juice inside. And your coriander leaves as well. Add them in, and you continue mashing. you cover them with breadcrumbs. This is just so to make it a little bit firm. Like that. Like that. Then you dip it in your egg mixture. And put it aside. So these are the balls I've made. So we are about to just deep fry them in hot oil. Make sure that you use hot oil so that your mixture can stay intact. So you want to check whether our oil is ready, and I usually put a toothpick, a wooden toothpick, you see? That shows that the oil is ready. Now we dip our Katlesi inside. Like that, one by one. So you cook for like 3 minutes, then you can turn to the other side. You wait until they are golden brown. So this is my tomato gravy sauce that I want to serve with the Katlesi. I just blended them, the tomatoes. First you boil the tomatoes, you steam them so that the skin can peel out softly, and then you just fry your onions, put salt, and then mix with the gravy. It takes like 5 minutes to be ready. So guys, this is the final product, our Katlesi. You see they've come out so well cooked, so well done. I'm going to serve my Katlesi with tomato gravy. You can serve them with vegetables. You can serve with tea, however you want. It's a full meal. You saw we put some minced meat, that's protein, that's carbohydrate. It's a very fulfilling meal. You can have this as a dinner, as lunch, as breakfast. So this is how our Katlesi looks like from the inside. You see the minced meat inside there. Yes, so you can eat this as a meal, and you can also eat it as a snack. It's very delicious, very tasty. You will love it. So I'm going to test this Katlesi to see whether it came out perfect, just the way I wanted it. It's very delicious. So tasty. The spices are blended well. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, click the like button, and also don't forget to leave without giving me your comments. Share your comments down below. Tell me what you'd like for me to make next time. what you'd like to see in my videos. If you love this video, please don't forget to let me know on the comment section. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much for subscribing. Don't leave without subscribing. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.